Imagine walking into an American home for the first time. You look around and hear words that describe every part of the house, from the front door to the quiet bedroom in the back. These words help you understand directions, follow conversations, and feel more confident when talking about where you live. Today, you will learn the vocabulary that makes daily home conversations simple and natural. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe any room in a house, understand what people mean when they talk about their homes, and shadow every sentence with ease. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let your mind focus. Let's begin learning home and house vocabulary together. Repeat after me. Home, house. These two words sound similar, but they feel different. A house is a building. A home is the place where you live, rest, and feel safe. Now listen carefully. My home is small and cozy. My house has 3 rooms. Repeat these sentences slowly and clearly. Let's continue. Imagine you are standing outside your home. You see the front door. You see the porch. You see the window. Repeat after me. Front door, porch, window. Now listen to the sentence. I open the front door slowly. Repeat that. Here is another one. The porch has a small chair. The window lets in sunlight. Shadow these sentences with me. Now step inside. You enter the living room. The living room is the place where people sit, relax, talk, and watch TV. Repeat after me. Living room, sofa, chair, coffee table, television. Now listen to a short paragraph. The living room is bright. I sit on the sofa and drink tea. The coffee table is in front of me. The television is on the wall. Repeat these lines slowly. Take your time. Let's continue. Walk into the kitchen. The kitchen is where food is made. It is warm, busy, and full of useful things. Repeat after me. Kitchen, stove, oven, sink, refrigerator. Now listen carefully. The stove is hot. The oven is warm. The sink is full of water. The refrigerator keeps food cold. Shadow these sentences with me. Keep your voice calm and clear. Now, imagine preparing a simple American breakfast. Repeat after me. I open the refrigerator. I take out milk. I use the stove to cook eggs. I wash the pan in the sink. Repeat these slowly. Shadow them again. Let your tongue move easily. Let's move to the dining area. This is the place where people eat together. Repeat after me. Dining room, table, chair, plate, cup. Now listen carefully. The dining room is quiet in the morning. I sit at the table. I place a cup on the table. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. Repeat these sentences with a soft tone. Take your time. Now walk into the bedroom. The bedroom is where people sleep and rest. It is peaceful and soft. Repeat after me. Bedroom, bed, pillow, blanket, closet. Shadow these words again. Now listen. The bed is comfortable. My pillow is soft. I pull the blanket over me. My clothes are inside the closet. Repeat these sentences slowly. Let's continue. Now, imagine waking up in the morning. Repeat after me. I open my eyes. I sit on the bed. I fold the blanket. I walk to the closet. I choose my clothes for the day. Take your time and shadow these sentences again at a smooth pace. Now, step into the bathroom. The bathroom is a private space. Repeat after me. Bathroom. Shower. Toilet. Mirror. Towel. Shadow these words. Now listen to this paragraph. I take a warm shower. I look in the mirror. I brush my teeth. I use a towel to dry my hands. Repeat these sentences slowly. Feel the rhythm of each word. Let's continue. Walk down the hallway. The hallway connects different rooms. Repeat after me. Hallway. Door. Floor. Light. Now shadow this paragraph. The hallway is long. The floor is clean. I turn on the light. I open a door and enter another room. Repeat these lines with clear pronunciation. Now, imagine a laundry area. Repeat after me. Laundry room. Washing machine. Dryer. Basket. Soap. Now listen carefully. I put my clothes in the washing machine. I add soap. I move the clean clothes to the dryer. I place the dry clothes in a basket. Repeat these sentences slowly and follow the rhythm. Let's continue. Now go to the garage. Many American homes have a garage for cars, tools, and storage. Repeat after me. Garage. Car. Tools. Shelf. Box. Now listen carefully. My car is inside the garage. The tools are on the shelf. I keep old boxes in the corner. Repeat these sentences clearly. Walk into the backyard. Many people in the USA spend time outside, especially in the evening. Repeat after me. Backyard. Grass. Fence. Garden. Tree. Now listen. The backyard is peaceful. The grass is green. The fence is tall. I sit under the tree and rest. Repeat these lines slowly. Let's continue with shadowing practice. I open the front door. I walk into the living room. I place my bag on the sofa. I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. Repeat these sentences. Now, shadow this next group. I walk into the bedroom. I change my clothes. I check the bathroom mirror. I sit at the dining table and relax. Repeat them gently. Now, listen to a simple story using home vocabulary. A woman comes home after work. She unlocks the front door. She walks into the living room and sits on the sofa. She takes a deep breath. She goes to the kitchen and cooks dinner. She sets the table in the dining room. After dinner, She washes the dishes in the sink. She walks to the bedroom and gets ready for sleep. She pulls the blanket over her and closes her eyes. Repeat parts of this story in your own voice. Go slowly. Take your time. Let's continue with more shadowing. The house feels warm. The bedroom is quiet. The kitchen smells good. The living room is clean. The bathroom is bright. Repeat these lines clearly. Now, shadow this next part. The porch is small. The window is open. The hallway is short. The backyard is wide. Repeat these again. Now listen to a longer paragraph to build fluency. My home is a peaceful place. When I walk through each room, I feel calm. The living room is where I rest. The kitchen is where I cook. The dining room is where I eat. The bedroom is where I sleep. The bathroom is where I refresh myself. Every space has a purpose. Every room helps me live my daily life with comfort. Repeat this slowly. Shadow each sentence with a smooth, relaxed voice. Let's continue. Repeat after me. I clean the living room. I organize the closet. I sweep the floor. I wipe the table. I wash the dishes. Shadow these sentences again. Now repeat these. I turn on the light. I open the window. I close the door. I fold the clothes. I make the bed. Say them clearly with steady rhythm. Now, take a moment to breathe. You're doing great. Let's practice another story. A family is getting ready for the day. The father is in the kitchen making breakfast. The mother is in the laundry room washing clothes. The child is in the bedroom getting dressed. The dog is waiting at the front door. The house feels busy, but it feels warm. Repeat the story slowly in your own voice. Shadow the rhythm of the lines. Let's continue. Repeat after me. This is my home. It is simple and comfortable. It has everything I need. It is the place where I rest, eat, sleep, and live. My home makes me feel safe. Shadow this entire paragraph again. Go slowly. Let your voice flow. Now, let's practice daily actions. Repeat after me. I open the closet. I hang my clothes. I sweep the kitchen floor. I clean the bathroom mirror. I water the plants in the backyard. Repeat these actions one more time. Take your time. Listen carefully to another paragraph. In the evening, I sit in the living room. I read a book. I enjoy the quiet sound of my home. Later, I walk to the kitchen and pour a glass of water. I turn off the lights in the hallway. I go to the bedroom and lie down. My home helps me relax after a long day. Shadow this entire paragraph. Let's continue practicing movement through the home. Repeat after me. I walk upstairs. I walk downstairs. I enter the room. I leave the room. I close the door behind me. Repeat these actions again with a calm voice. Now, imagine giving someone a tour of your home. Repeat after me. This is the living room. This is the kitchen. This is the dining room. This is the bedroom. This is the bathroom. Repeat these lines again. Now, shadow this next part. Welcome to my home. Make yourself comfortable. Please sit on the sofa. Let me get you a drink from the kitchen. Repeat these slowly. Now, listen to one more long fluency paragraph. Every home in the world is different, but the feelings inside are the same. A home is a place for rest, connection, and comfort. When you speak about your home with clear English vocabulary, you communicate your daily life with confidence. With practice, you will describe rooms, actions, and activities with ease. Repeat this slowly and shadow each sentence. You have done great work today. You practiced vocabulary for every room of the house. You used shadowing to train your ears, your voice, and your confidence. Keep practicing, and these words will feel natural in your daily conversations. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope this lesson brought you comfort and progress. I will see you again in the next lesson from English Teaching Friends. Please subscribe.